The unavoidable tax season is here, and cyber crooks are looking to cash in big time by actively looking to steal your most personal information to grab up those tax returns and refunds.
2 News Oklahoma's problem solver Pete Knutson shows us how tax scams are becoming more and more elaborate and expensive.
As you gather your paperwork and begin prepping your tax returns, stay alert.
I'm always leery about stuff.
Especially this time of year, Carson Stout says, as we talk to him near Collinsville about his tax plans and who'll do them.
Usually I try to find somebody tax-wise I know, like somebody's used them before.
And lately, that's a tax preparer his folks have used for years.
It was easy to know that he's legit and nothing sketchy going on there.
But an increasing number of tax filers, experts say, fall victim to fake preparers.
We get calls and complaints from consumers every year that they've been duped by impersonation scams.
The Better Business Bureau is keeping a close eye on tax scams and fake IRS agents trying to contact you. The BBB reports during 2021 there were at least 52,000 reports to the IRS for tax scams, and a total of $1.6 billion were lost. Experts say your best bet is to be proactive and file as soon as you can, because it avoids potential delays and lessens your risk of tax identity fraud, where someone files a return in your name.
The earlier you get it in, the quicker that they can respond and process it. And so I always tell people file early because it just gives you a little more breathing room.
If you're concerned about data breaches or your information being compromised, request an identity protection PIN from the IRS. It's an added layer of protection. In addition, remember, the IRS will never call or threaten you. The only communication from the agency will come through certified mail. So don't buy into the pressure of bogus text messages and social media posts.
Scammers love to scare. They love to panic people because it puts you in a situation where you're not thinking clearly.
Also, be on the lookout for questionable email requests and check who the sender is. Look for misspelled words and strange formatting. If it's not .gov, it's not real.
It's so easy to scam people nowadays.
Which is why Carson says he is so leery, so he isn't ripped off by scammers and doesn't get sideways with the IRS.
I definitely want to keep stuff up to snuff. I don't want to be in trouble with them at all.
And hopefully, he says, he'll be able to laugh a little more if he gets a refund. But experts say be ready for your tax refund to be smaller this year, since all that COVID stimulus is long gone. And some may be shocked to find out they actually owe the IRS this time around. Pete Knutson, 2 News Oklahoma, Problem Solvers.